Hey everyone, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Peanuts.
And today on the show, we're going to be drawing Paper Mario.
Yes.
So Paper Mario. Now, on today's show, we normally draw with pens first up, but for today, we're going to get some pencils and an eraser. I'll show you why in a minute. We're still going to be using markers and pens, but watch this. Okay, so first of all, I want you to get your pencil, and we're going to just, with the pencil, we're just going to like draw really lightly on the page. Don't draw too hard because we're going to rub these pencil markers out later on, okay? This is going to work as a guide for us so we can like form the drawing around it. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to do like an egg shape sort of at the top here of the page. So watch carefully, do the best you can. Some sort of egg like that. It's kind of like a head. Yeah. That's cool, I like it, that's cool, that'll work. Now what I want you to do is grab your marker, your pen. We're going to draw Mario's nose. So what you want to do, you want to go around like this. Like that, that's his nose. And then from his nose at the tip there, that's good, Phoenix. You want to go...
His mustache.
Mustache, you want to go up like that. And then what we want to do, we want to do his mustache. So you want to come sort of here, next to this line where the pencil mark is. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, big bump on the 3.
1, 2,
and then connect it there.
There you go.
Yep. That's it, and we've got his mustache. The next step is we're going to draw his mouth underneath his mustache. So you just want to do a bit of a U like that. Yep, and then we want to do his tongue. We're curving like a hill inside the tongue, or inside the mouth, sorry, to make the tongue.
Like that.
Yep, beautiful. From here, we want to do his ear. So the ear sort of starts here on the edge and comes down like that.
Yeah.
And then within the ear, you want to do like a sideways U, and then a little line coming out of the U like that. It's kind of like an arrow, but kind of like a bendy arrow. We want to do this chin. So see how my guideline there is a little bit off? So that doesn't matter, we'll rub that out later. We want to start his mustache here, cover his mouth and go up to his ear.
So start from his mustache here.
Yep, go around. Whoop, yep, up to his ear.
Oh.
It's all right, you can move it in. Yep, cool. All right, so we're going to do his hat. So what you want to do is you want to do a curve up like so, and then stop it there.
Like that?
Yep, like that. And then you want to bring that curve back in, down, and around like that. So that's the curve of his hat. So that's his visor. And then you want to do his hair here. And then you want to connect this line across his ear like that.
I've already done.
Oh, you already did that. And then you want to do the same here. Connect a line from his visor to his nose. Yep. And then this little part here of his visor, connect it into his face. And then we want to do his heart. So what we do a little hook on that side. And here comes the fun part. We're going to go up the hill and down the hill to form his hat. And then we do a little oval where the M sort of sits, and we'll do the M later on.
Yeah, that good.
And what is he missing?
His eyes.
His eyes, right. I say, so you want to do one little crazy oval raisin here, colour it in, and another one over here.
Like that. Look, see?
Yeah, oh, I like it, Phoenix.
It looks like Luigi.
All right, so what I want you to do is get your eraser and lightly just rub out the pencil lines like that. Ooh.
Yeah, that's much easier.
Yeah, that's easy, isn't it? Yeah. So anytime we're drawing an oval like that, it's just like a guideline for us to figure out where to put our little elements. Okay, so the next step is we're going to get our pencils again, and we're going to do Mario's body, another guideline. So we're going to start from sort of under the ear and do a big blob.
A big blob.
Big blob.
And have to do a small one.
Okay, so the next step is when Paper Mario is walking or running, he's like got one arm up and one arm down. He's like, boom, boom. We want to do one of his arms here and one of his arms there. We're going to start with the arm behind his nose. It's pretty easy to do. We do one line that curves up to here to his nose. And then...
It's like picking his nose.
A little bit, yep. And then we want to do his thumb here. One little U there. I want to come up here and do a hook into there, a U. Then we want to come around and do a big U here. Yep. And then we do another U into his nose. Good job, Phoenix. Oh, I like that. And then we do his little wispy lines here that form his gloves.
Yeah.
So that's one arm.
One arm.
Now we're going to do the arm on this side coming down. So what we want to do is you want to do a curved U around like this, like that. It's kind of like a sideways shoehorn, or horseshoe, sorry. Shoehorn. Shoehorn's the thing you put in your shoe to put your shoe on. My dad used to have one. He was trying to get his shoe in. He's like, oh, gotta get my shoe on. And then we want to do a hook that connects around like so, like that. There you go on there. Oh, I like that. And then you want to bring that hook in just a little bit like that.
What?
Yep. And then we're going to do a bowl. It's like, this is like a boxing glove. It looks like he's got a boxing glove, doesn't it? And we want to do two little lines there to form the glove. And then we're going to do a kind of a curve there and a curve there, like a little T there to show his hand, all right?
There.
Yep. Beautiful. Now we're going to form his body. So we're going to connect his arm to his head like that. And then the line that you've created, all you've got to do now is just follow that all the way around with your marker or your pen, texter, Nico, wherever you come from, however you call it. And then bring it up there into his chin.
Yeah.
Cool.
Ma, that's Luigi.
It looks a bit like Luigi. I don't think we've made his face round enough, but you know. This pencil line here, we're just going to lightly rub that out. There you go. Done. So get your markers again. We're going to do one shoe up here. So you want to do like a little oval that comes around. Stop there. It's a little hook.
Yeah.
You want to bring it around in there and then bring it around like that. It's kind of like a jelly bean.
That's not how.
Oh, it looks like a love heart. He's got love hearts on his feet. That's cool. Spreading the love. And then what you want to do, you want to come around here, out like that. And another one out like that, like a hook. And then you want to bend it in and then bend it back. And that's the bottom of your shoe.
Like that.
Yep, beautiful. So the next foot
It's on his hand.
is sort of down here on this side. So you want to do a little hook into there.
No, it's on his hand.
Oh, it's kind of it will connect to his hand, yeah. And then you want to bring another hook around like that. Excuse our neighbor, he's cutting his lawn. And then you want to bring it in like this, hook it in like so. So that's part of his shoe. And it's kind of like he's got a little hot dog hanging off from his shoe here, see? This looks like a bit of bread with a hot dog in there, doesn't it?
Yeah, there we go.
And then you want to just do a little line here to form that shoe. So he's wearing overalls, or depending on what part of the world you come from, it could be called a dungaree. A dungaree? So right, so you come around here, and we're going to do like a circle that meets underneath the arm, like that. And then we want to do like a little square, curved square that comes into here. And here we're going to do the little circles. He's got yellow circles on his overalls. One there, and then one there on the side. Beautiful, Phoenix. Love it. And, oh, and we got to do, what has he got on his, here, on his,
Mario.
do you want to make yours Mario or Luigi? Or we'll just make a Mario?
No, Luigi,
No, you want to do L. I'll do Mario, you do Luigi.
L for
L
Luigi.
for Luigi, and Dad is going to do Mario. So we're going to up like a mountain top, and then down, Mario. And we're done. Good job. So what's the next part?
Color in.
Color in. Well, there we go, guys. We did Mario, Paper Mario, and Paper Luigi. Woo! That's cool, Phoenix. I like this. It's so small. How cool is that? You know, with art, it's one of those things. You start off drawing Mario, you end up drawing Luigi. Hey, Mario. Hey, Luigi. Let's go fix some pipes.
I'm too small. I can go inside the pipes for you and plumb them out.
And plumb them out. I like what you did there. That's really good. Really awesome. What can everyone at home do?
Pause the video and subscribe.
That's right. You guys at home can subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with all the cool videos that we're got coming up next. And we also have an Instagram page that we just launched at Art Raving Dad. Go over to Instagram, check it out. Share, tag us in your pictures that you create for my channel and we'll share them as well. Anyway, guys, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix.
and we are having fun making art. We'll hope to see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
What does Luigi say to Mario?
It's a me, it's Luigi.
I don't know if he says it's a me, it's a Luigi. Not
Well,
sure.
it says Mamma Mia as well.
He says, Mamma Mia. He likes to eat, doesn't he? He's always eating and he's getting
Cheese.
distracted. Yeah, cheese. Yeah.
Cheese. He got tricked by King Boo with the ghost and he ate all the cheese.
Mario had to get him away. That was
Yeah,
funny.
and Yoshi had to stay outside.
That's right. Yoshi had to stay outside, otherwise
Why
he'd
does
get
he
put
love
back to an egg.
cheese? Why does he love cheese?
I don't know.